Hey guys, this is Dano from Hidden Bigfoot Research Labs, and we just got home from Tractor Supply with our new babies, our peeps. We got a handful of little chickens. Hi chicken. But it's kind of cold, so we'll close that up and let them warm up. I'll let them stay warm. But that's not why we got the camera on. What we got here is one of those nice big totes, multi-purpose totes, and we're gonna turn it into our new little chicken farm until they get big enough to go outside. And I got an indoor 65 watt flood lamp. It'll put out heat. I've got an old clip-on lamp that broke, but it's got a ceramic base in it so it can handle higher wattage and heat. And now I want to be able to use my tote again later, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cardboard top and set my lid somewhere else. Alright, so let's just set these guys in here until we get ready. Alright, for bedding, I got some old newspaper. And I got an old paper shredder. And see, we got plenty of compostable paper now. Let's see, we're going to take that out. Spread it around, loosen it up. Alright, just a little bit more, and then we'll call that good. Alright, we got our feeder ready, and it's just a regular old 7-pound hanging chick feeder, or chicken feeder, and we'll just set it in there. And I may end up hanging it, but I doubt it. Alright, now let's put our water in. And we got one of the flip around hanging feeders, or hanging waterers. And we'll end up, when we build our chicken house, we'll put them in it. Alright, now we're ready to put our peeps in. And see, when we get them out, we like to dip their beak into the water so that they know where the water's at. And we got nice little pretty chickens. And we'll dip all these guys' beak, and then we'll just let them scurry around. And then we got the watchdogs. They love to watch everything we're doing. That's about all they're good at watching. But they just love the little things. But this one wants everything to be her baby. She's my good little mama dog. But alright, let me put my light together now. Well, we ended up just kind of stacking up some cardboard and an old box with my heat lamp and with the little chickens, and we just got it braced up. And we got the little platform here because Lulu's can't help but watch them, and she ain't real aggressive with them. She likes her babies. But now I'm gonna have to start working on their pen, or I think I'm gonna build a chicken tractor. So make sure and stick around for updates. But as you can see, it's just a simple starter box for chickens made out of a tote and a heat lamp from the Dollar Tree and an old junk light socket. But alright guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and check out my other videos. Laters.